Hello friends, I'm going to start a series of lockdown special quick and easy recipes. You also try and enjoy. Let us start with a sweet dish which is bread ghevar coated with rabdi. This recipe of bread ghevar is very quick and easy, and more so, not only the kids but elders will also enjoy this ghevar. If you like this recipe, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. To make bread ghevar, we need bread slices, ghee or oil for frying, and sugar to make sugar syrup. To make rabdi, we need milk powder, some milk, few saffron strands, some cardamom powder, and chopped almonds and pistachios for garnishing. By the way, I will share the recipe of proper Rajasthani ghevar very soon. Let us start with 5 slices of bread. First of all, take a round cutter or a lid and cut slices like this. Now take another small cutter or a lid and make hole at the center of the slice. Make all of them like this. They are ready for frying. Now put ghee or oil on the stove, and another side 1 cup sugar and half cup water for making sugar syrup. I am making this sugar syrup 1 string consistency. Sprinkle some cardamom powder. Now this ghee is ready for frying. Ghee should be hot, but keep the stove on medium to low. I am making them golden brown. They are ready. Take them out carefully. Switch off the stove. These golden beauties are ready to jump in syrup now. Syrup is also ready. I am checking consistency of syrup. It's 1 string consistency now. Drop them inside the syrup. Let them soak nicely. It will take few minutes. Yeah, you can see they have soaked the syrup. Friends, 5 bread gavers are ready for coating now. Now I'm going to make rabdi with quick and easy recipe. For rabdi, I'm taking half cup of milk powder and 1/4 cup of milk. Mix well. And pour it in big bowl. This rabdi I am making in microwave, so I need big bowl so that this milk will not come out from bowl. Putting some saffron strands and cardamom powder. Mix well. Now I am putting in microwave for 1 minute. Take it out, mix it again, put again for 1 minute. Mix it and it is done. I am adding 1 teaspoon milk to make it spreadable. Coat these bread slices with rabdi very nicely. This rabdi will give very rich and nice taste to gaver. I didn't add sugar in this rabdi. If you like, you can add some sugar. Now garnish with almonds and pistachio. I don't have pistachio, and this lockdown time, for small things we can't go out. But pistachio gives very nice taste and color. If you have, you must use them. Sprinkle some cardamom powder. I soaked some saffron strands in water to make it colorful and to give it very nice flavor and taste. This saffron water will give it very nice color and taste. Put all soaked saffron also. 5-6 saffron strands. You can soak in 2 tablespoon water. They are ready to serve now.